Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Finding the Perfect Jeans video. One of my most popular videos were actually the video about good American jeans, and that was about two and a half years ago, and I still really love those jeans, and for a long time those were the only jeans that I ever wore until I found American Eagle, which you can watch that video. I'll have it linked down below. For the longest time, I really struggled to find jeans. I have a pear-shaped body, so my hips are quite a bit larger than my upper body, which makes it really hard to buy clothes, especially dresses and things like that, because I have a different fit up top than I do down below. So for years, my go-to was sometimes the good American jeans and then mostly leggings. Still love leggings, obsessed with leggings. I can't say enough good things about them, but I really wanted to change up my wardrobe and incorporate denim, because denim really goes with everything and anything, and there are lots of times when leggings are just not appropriate. So today I'm going to be comparing my good American jeans against my American Eagle jeans. I see a lot of similarities, and a lot of times people compare the good American to Fashion Nova, but I actually think there's more of a connection to American Eagle with good American than there is to Fashion Nova. So I actually went through and I'm going to break everything up into 4 different categories. So we have comfort, fit, look, and price. And I'm going to try these on for you so you're going to see what they look like. But here are my good American jeans. So I don't actually know what the style is called. These are the good legs. I know that. This is in a size 27, a size 4, because I did read online that you should size up because they are extremely stretchy. Now, for having these for 2.5 years, they have done extremely well. But I will say I barely wore them once a week, like maybe once every other week for a while, and I haven't really worn them in a while. But they have gone through the wash quite a few times and they have held up beautifully. There is no pilling. People ask between my thighs. There is no pilling between the inner thigh. There's no threads coming loose. It looks very nice, and then it does have the raw edge, which has always looked like this. If anything, maybe it's gotten a little more raw, but I like that. That's part of why I purchased these jeans. Good American is very size inclusive. They have a huge size range, which is amazing, and they're made for curvy girls. So girls with hips, girls without curves, like anyone can wear these jeans, but I love that they were made with the mindset of girls that have hips and a butt. I mean, obviously they were made by Khloe Kardashian, who the Kardashian family are the forerunners to the whole big butt movement, which I'm actually very thankful for because I'm a curvy girl and I feel like I'm able to accept my curves more, seeing really confident women who are even more curvy than me be able to flaunt it and, you know, love themselves. I'm not condoning them or anything. I'm not taking a stance whether I like them or not. I'm just saying I love that this body positivity movement is really inspiring me and helping build my confidence and learning to love the way that I am. Recently, American Eagle came out with a curvy line, and it's not just plus size. It's for girls that have curves, from the smallest size to the largest size. And what I love about it is it has someone like me, my fit, in mind, just like Khloe Kardashian. I have the highest rise in the curvy. I will link these down below. I have tried these on, but I will try them on. They are probably the closest in wash that I have to the good American, and these are in a size 6 short. They are the next level stretch, so like the good American, these might even be a little bit stretchier. They might almost be like more of a jegging material. The one thing that I find with this material specifically, other American jeans I have no issue, I would size down because it is a little more fabric-y. The good American I find is more of a fabric-y material as well. So again, very similar. American Eagle is extremely size inclusive, and within the last couple of years have just become very body positive and empowering, and I love shopping there. I've never been an American Eagle fan since high school. I stopped and I never really went back in, and then recently I just love everything that they're doing. Being able to find jeans there, which is so accessible, is amazing. The only thing that I really don't like about Good American is that you have to go to a Nordstrom or order online, and in Canada Nordstroms are really few and far between, and I don't even think they carry the Good American. So let's stop talking. I'll try these on and let's see how each of these two jeans hold up against each other. Okay, so here are the Good American jeans. Sorry, I have to stand so far back. I put on some heels so you can kind of see what they look like. So this is them from the front, from the side, and then from the back. Side. Now the one thing is they are not as high-rise as the other ones. That goes right to my belly button. I personally don't feel like a jean with this wash is that flattering for my body, but that doesn't in any way affect my my overall score, because I still think that they're a really nice looking jean. So for comfort, I give these jeans an 8. These are so comfortable. The fabric is really nice. It's very, sorry, my neighbor. Okay, so for comfort, these are an 8. They're compressing, but they're not tight. I still have a little bit of room in my, my hip or my waist, but it's not loose. It's very comfortable. And again, the fabric is very movable. I don't feel restricted. It's comfortable. For a fit, I'm going to give this a 9. These fit perfectly. They hit me, Walter. Watch out. Move. Not to me. Not to me. They fit perfectly in length, in my bum, which is my bum and my hips. It fits perfectly, like it was just made for me. I have no issues when putting them on, pulling them up. They, they're made for someone with curves, so they're fit perfectly. The look, I give a 7. Not because I don't necessarily like how they look on me. The pockets in the back are spaced out quite far, which I feel like gives the illusion of a bigger bum. I don't personally like that. I would like them to be smaller and a little more like in the center, just because I feel like it draws less attention to how big they are. But that's my only qualm with it. And so to me, that's what I look for. I look for it when I'm wearing a jean that it's slimming, not to accentuate. That's why I give it a 7. But everything else I really like. I'm not a fan of the wash, but off of my legs, and I'm looking at these, I think they look beautiful and something I would choose, hence why I bought them. And the last category is price. These jeans come in at a whopping $230 Canadian. That's about $170, $180 US. So for me, that is quite a price, but for someone who has a hard time finding jeans and barely buys jeans, I can stomach that because it's good quality. It's made to fit someone with a body type like me. Again, like my top half is quite a bit smaller than my bottom half. So finding jeans has always been difficult. The fact that I can go online to their website and know that every jean is going to fit me and it's going to look good, it's a win-win. And it's going to last. Like again, I've had these for 2 years and they look as good as new to me. They wash really nicely and the elasticity is held up. So for that, I give it a 6.5 because it is on the high side, and I know that is probably the biggest deterrent for people buying these jeans. Okay, next up is the American Eagle, so I'm gonna swap those for these and I will be right back. Okay, back with the American Eagle jeans. These are the ones they were in my other video. The waist is a lot higher. Goes right up. These are the extra high waist. They are a bit of a darker wash, but they do have a bit of the texture, same sort of texture that the Good American jeans have. These are in short, so they fall right at the ankle, which I really like because when I'm wearing sneakers or things like that, I think it looks really cute to kind of hit just above the ankle. Again, very similar. I think that if these were on the Good American website, actually, I'm pretty sure there is a pair of jeans exactly like this on the Good American website. So they're very similar styles, but let's start with the comfort. I rated these 7.5. They are very comfortable. They're just a little bit less comfortable than the Good American. The stretch is still good. There's just something really luxurious about the Good American feel, and maybe it's just that jean, but it's like a jean, not really a jegging, but kind of a jegging, kind of a velvety denim material that the Good American has. This has a very similar feel, but a little more rough, still very, very comfortable. Like these, I could spend an entire day and I wouldn't be running home to like take them off. Some people I know don't like how high this goes. Personally, I actually prefer it to go right at the belly button. So I'm glad I've tried these, because next time I would probably not go for the extra high-waisted. But I will say this is very nice for like when you're bending down to grab something, and if your shirt rides up, you are extra protected. Next category is the fit. This is an 8.5. Again, it is really good. I find that the sizing at American Eagle is pretty consistent, but with these ones, I wish that I had sized down a little bit. The waist is actually perfect, but I find that there's a little bit too much material and it doesn't suck me in the way that I like a good jean to, like the Good American. I really like it to like compress, almost like a control top pantyhose would do, or a Spanx. I like that in my jeans with the stretch. That's why the Good American is so unique, because it has that and it's still so comfortable. But these fit really, really nicely. The length is perfect. The fit is really good. I'm comfortable. I could wear these all day. I think an 8.5 is a really fair rating. Now for the look, I gave the look an 8 out of 10. I love how these look. I love the wash. I really love the length of these jeans. So I love how it hits, like I said, right above the ankle. I think that's a really cute look. That's more my style. And why it's rated a bit higher than the Good American is just the placement of the pockets. I like that better. I think it minimizes my butt, not accentuates it. Now, if you're somebody that is looking to accentuate their behind and wants that look, maybe somebody that has maybe like a smaller bum, the Good American is a great option. But for me, who is looking to like tone it down, this is what I'm looking for. A smaller pocket, more central located, and something that just helps not make it look bigger. So for price, these jeans are $69.95 Canadian, which works out to be about $47, $49 US. Phenomenal price for a good pair of jeans, I think. And American Eagle always has a sale. I got these on sale. So for me, being able to buy a great pair of jeans that's affordable, 10 out of 10, exactly what I'm looking for. It just doesn't compare against the Good American. These are a little bit less quality-wise, maybe look-wise, but the price really hits it out of the park, because you really can't get a good pair of jeans for cheaper than that. So again, 10 out of 10, love these. So Good American came in with a total of 30 points and American Eagle came in with a total of 34 points. Now both of these jeans are amazing. If you don't mind spending the money, Good American jeans are really worth it. They last long, they're really good quality, and again, the fit and the comfort are just absolutely amazing. If you're looking for more affordable but equally as comfortable and as nice, American Eagle is such a great option. One, it's everywhere. There's an American Eagle at literally every mall. And two, they always have sales. Actually, when I just went on to look, they were having a 40% off jeans right now. So they're always having sales. I actually got 2 pairs for like $80 a month ago. It's a better bang for your buck. Both brands are going to give you great quality and great style and great fit, and you're gonna love it. So it's worth it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below which of these 2 jeans you'd like to try, or if you own any, I'd love to hear your feedback. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!